In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a circle webcam in OBS Studio. This is a really clean effect that you'll see a lot in professional streams and tutorial videos. And it's actually very easy to set up once you know where everything is in OBS. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open OBS Studio and make sure you're on the scene where you want your webcam to appear. If you don't have a webcam source added yet, go to the Sources box at the bottom, click the plus icon, and choose Video Capture Device. Select your webcam from the list. Give it a simple name you'll recognize later, and confirm. You should now see your normal rectangular webcam on the preview. Next, we're going to turn that rectangle into a circle using a filter called an image mask. Right-click on your webcam source in the Sources list and choose Filters. This opens a new window. In the Effect Filters section at the bottom left, click the plus icon and select Image Mask Blend. Give this filter a name if you like, then hit OK. You'll now see some options for the mask. For the type, choose Alpha Mask, Alpha Channel, or Alpha Mask, Color Channel, depending on the mask image you're using. The easiest way to do this is with a simple transparent PNG file that has a solid white circle in the middle and transparent background around it. If you don't already have one, you can quickly create one in any basic image editor or download a free circle mask from a trusted graphics resource site. Once you have that image saved, go back to OBS, click Browse in the Image Mask settings, and select your circle mask file. As soon as you apply it, your rectangular webcam should be cut into a perfect circle in the preview. If it doesn't look right, double-check that the circle in your mask is centered and that the background is transparent. From here, you can close the Filters window and return to your main OBS screen. Click and drag the edges of your circular webcam to resize it, and move it to wherever you want on your layout, like a bottom corner or next to your gameplay. Hold Shift while resizing if you need finer control. Finally, do a quick recording or start a private test stream to make sure everything looks smooth, with no cut-off edges or weird borders. Once you're happy with the position and size, you're done. You now have a clean circular webcam in OBS Studio that gives your videos and streams a more polished, modern look.